Hi friend, it is good to see you. We have not done a cleaning video together for a while, so I thought why not? We're actually having Tom's sister and her family over tonight, and then tomorrow night we're having the couples over from our small group. We've started having like a couples date night and we rotate between each other's houses. So Tom and I are hosting tomorrow night. So it's good timing, and it's a good excuse just to get the house clean, because there are so many things that I don't do on a regular basis. You know, like we pick up and do all the kitchen stuff and dishes most days. But as far as washing the floor and really cleaning the bathrooms well, it's just, I mean, for those of you who know me, that's not my gig. Like, I don't have a cleaning schedule because I wouldn't stick to it, and I just kind of, like the floor, I do on an as needed basis. It's just kind of how it is. So I thought we could do some cleaning together. I got some flowers over here that I want to arrange to put out on the table and the counter. I also got a new bedspread for our bed, and so I want to try that out. So if you're up for it, you can come along and we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing I actually do is order groceries. So tonight I'm gonna make chicken chili. Oh, how cool is this shirt? So this was from Anna, who we met in Connecticut, her and her husband John. So her daughter Emily has an Etsy shop called Noel Gray, and they make, this is cool, but they make really cute baby items that are personalized. So I will link to her shop down below, because you can get some really fun gifts on there, and who doesn't love a personalized gift? Isn't this so cool? Okay. So back to business. The first thing I need to do is order groceries. Yes, we still use Instacart. I love it. Honestly, it shows on the app when I'm done ordering, it'll say, you've saved 35 hours of grocery shopping, and I believe it. I've probably saved more because we live a little bit of a distance from the grocery store. So yes, I still find it totally worthwhile. Walmart just had a grocery pickup, so we'll start using them as well. I know a lot of you had said your grocery stores offer it. I think it's totally worthwhile. It's worth a little bit of extra expense. So I break that all down in my Aldi video. So I order the groceries. When they get here, I will have the kids put them away. I have been letting them put the groceries, I've been telling them to put the groceries away. They don't get to eat anything until the groceries are put away. It's not perfect. They don't do a perfect job with it, but it's just one less thing that I have to do, and so that's been working out. So tonight we're having chicken chili. I'll link to the recipe down below. It is so easy, but really good. I think everybody always likes it when we make it. I usually get asked for the recipe, so I will link to that down below. And then tomorrow night we're actually gonna order Indian food, which we're looking forward to. And then, but I am gonna make a triple chocolate bundt cake for dessert. It's been fun reading your comments saying how much you like these bundt cake recipes too, because honestly, they're so good and they're so easy. They're foolproof. I've literally never had one not turn out. So borrow your grandma's bundt cake pan. It is totally worth making. Okay, so now that the food is set, then let's get cleaning. So here's what I want to show you, which I think is kind of funny. I am so grateful that in videos you can't actually see how dirty things are. These chairs, again, I'll spot wash them when they get dirty, but if we're gonna have company over tomorrow night, like all adults sitting on them, I do wanna have them all clean. So we're gonna wash all of the chairs. Same with the floor. I'm so glad in the videos you can't see how dirty our floor is because it's just, I mean, you know how it goes, but especially in the summer, it just seems like the kids drag in so much dirt. And then washing down the walls too, especially in our entryway, the walls get so dirty. Tom actually just put this door in. We'll show you that more in detail on Saturday, so that was kind of fun. But again, I'm so glad you can't see like literally how dirty this is. I know some people that would like totally drive you crazy, but that's just not me. It's not how I'm wired. So I just clean on an as needed basis, or if we're having friends over. Okay, oh yeah, and then the bathroom. Okay, this floor is just so dirty, so we're gonna wash this. It's where, you know, the kids come in. It's close to where the door is, where they come in from outside. So especially in the summer, they just like come in here to wash up. I did have Adeline wash the sink a little bit because they had paint all over it, but you can still see there's still some red paint in there, of course. And they got it all over the mirror, so we'll wash that too. So I just use vinegar and water for glass, and then I think the real key is having a good microfiber cloth. So that is all I use for mirrors and windows. So this is a floor cleaner from Grove that I like to spray on the floor before I mop it, especially in the bathroom. Like there's hairspray on the floor, and then like I said, all the stuff the kids track in. I don't know if it works any better than just using like the vinegar water, so I'm gonna use it up since I have it, but I don't know that I would reorder it again. But I do like to do some kind of pre-spray again because I don't wash my floors regularly, so they're kind of gross. I have a Norwex microfiber mop, so I like it. I'm not gonna show it too much, it's really dirty. But you can just rinse it out, get it wet, and then rinse it out once it gets dirty again. So that is what I'm gonna use for the floor. Isn't it funny? I put these things off and then it actually takes like 5 minutes to do the floor. I know, I should probably do it more often. All right, the boys thought this looked like so much fun in the bathroom. They're gonna help me. So we're gonna sweep everything quick, guys, okay? We're gonna sweep it.
Okay.
Okay. And then we will mop it. We'll see if we can hold their interest to get the whole floor done. And I know a lot of these things, like honestly, the people coming over probably wouldn't notice or it wouldn't be a big deal to them. But again, it's just kind of, I like having these deadlines where we try to get everything done because it is nice, you know, at least quarterly to try and give the house a good cleaning. All right, now we're gonna put all the chairs back and wash them down. So I would be curious what you use for a project like this. I just have some dish soap and some warm water. I don't know that I do anything right. I just try to use like really simple cleaners and keep as few cleaners in the house as possible. So usually like vinegar and baking soda and dish soap, I can pretty much do just about anything. I think I got my workout in for the day. This is kind of a lot of work. It's probably why I don't do it more often. Okay, this shoe bench like literally never gets washed, so it's time. I'm not someone who naturally gets into cleaning a lot or enjoys it. In the past, it was always a burden and something that I put off. And so since we've simplified our house, it's definitely changed my perspective on cleaning and keeping it clean. I feel like every inch of our house needs to be washed right now. All right, so then back to the kitchen. Adeline is still doing the dishes for her earning money for school shopping. And so she gets to take care of all these dishes. I don't care when it gets done, it just has to be done by the end of the day. So if she waits till the end of the day, then it's more dishes to do, or she can, you know, do them throughout that day. It doesn't really bother me. And then these are the flowers I got that we're gonna arrange in a little bit. Oh yeah, we'll be cleaning the stove too. And then I got, well, you know, I just kind of made a turkey last night because who doesn't celebrate Thanksgiving in July, right? Just like Christmas in July, but without the gifts, I don't know. We actually needed the freezer space, so we took out the turkey that we had left over from this fall and made that. So I need to take all of the meat off of it and throw it in the fridge. So that's another thing I get to do today. So Adeline is working on the dishes, and then this is just the new bedspread I got. It was only $20 at Walmart. I'm not promoting Walmart. Use your own convictions where you shop. It was just close by. I haven't been able to find anything online like I wanted. I just wanted something lightweight, kind of a gray and white pattern, a little bit quilted. I don't know. So I found this. I do like it though. So our old bedspread we've literally had, I don't know, 6 years now, I think. So it's very tired, it's been washed. So we'll demote that. We'll use that for like a moving blanket now when we help people move. So that'll be its new purpose, and we will use this. I also wanted something that matched our current sheets. They're kind of a gray and white pattern, also from Walmart. They're like a microfiber. I really like them. They wash up really well. Not sure how I feel about it. I don't love the blue pillows with it, with the denim covers, so I decided to grab the pillows out of the TV room, but we'll just leave it for now. I know Tom will totally not care either way, so we'll see. I think one of the first times I actually felt like I arrived with minimalism and simplifying our house was when I could leave our bedroom door open and it wasn't like the overflow room or the catch-all room, or I wasn't telling the kids like, go put this in my bedroom, or I was just, you know, bringing stuff from other rooms and putting it in my bedroom and shutting the door and hoping nobody came in here or opened this door. And so I think that's when people always ask like, well, how do you know like when you'd simplified enough? And I think that was like one of the best days when I could have my bedroom door open when we were entertaining and it wasn't just the catch-all room anymore. I know I'm not the only one who used to do that. All right, so Adeline got the dishes done and into the dishwasher. It's not quite full yet, and I'm gonna arrange these flowers quick. I tried to use what I learned in 4-H about like different heights and stuff, but I don't know. Oh well. Gage wants to be in the video too.
Okay.
So we realized it's almost 5 o'clock. Our guests are gonna be here at, no, we realized it's almost 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Our guests are gonna be here at 5 o'clock. So Adeline is making the chicken chili, but we got most of our cleaning stuff done today that we wanted to, so that was the main thing. Did you help clean?
It's a flash. Kind of.
Kind of, that's a good way to describe it. What are you making, Adeline?
Chicken chili.
Where can they find the recipe?
Down below.
Is it easy?
Yes, very, very easy.
Is it good?
It's delicious.
Okay, the kids are being really loud. I am sweaty and they're gonna be here in a few minutes, so I should probably get changed and do something with my hair and makeup. But thank you for cleaning with me. Again, my disclaimer is that I don't know how to do clean with me videos and this isn't my forte. But like I said, I've definitely noticed since we've simplified our house that it is easier to keep clean and I don't mind cleaning as much. So that's always a good thing. Thank you all again for all of your kind words on our last video for our 100,000 subscriber celebration. We appreciate it so much. Every comment, we just, yes, it will be fun to come on the road at some point. We will. We'll come visit and help you with your houses. I think that would be a lot of fun. Also, I would love to know, are you a like cleaning schedule person? Like, do you have a rotation throughout the week that you follow? Or have there been any resources out there that have been really helpful for you? Or are you more like a do it before guests come or just as needed? I'd be really curious to know because I have been doing like just as needed or, you know, before we entertain, but I'm kind of thinking it might be nice to get onto some kind of a system or a schedule. I don't know, we'll see. I'm not guaranteeing anything, but it was really nice to get to visit with you today. Thank you for keeping me company. A thumbs up is always appreciated and so kind of you. Subscribe too if you haven't already so we can spend more time together, and I'll look forward to visiting with you again really soon. Adeline got all of this ready herself. Isn't she awesome? Adeline, will you just take care of that turkey for me? How much would I have to pay you?
$20.